Good morning students. We are already seeing about the chapter 3 factors and multiples. In factors and multiples, first we saw was what is factor and what is multiple with an example. Then we saw about the test of divisibility. Now today we are going to see about what is prime number, composite number and co-prime numbers. What is prime number, what is a composite number and what is co-prime number. Today we will learn about what is prime number and composite number and co-prime numbers. First we will see what is prime number. Prime number are those numbers that have only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself. If we have a number, if we are having 2 as a number, what are the factors of this? In which table 2 will go? 1 table and 2 table. So this is nothing but a prime number. Prime number is nothing but it should have every number is divisible by 1, right? So it will have 1 as a factor and 2 is nothing but the number itself. If any number which has factor as 1 and the number itself, it is meant by prime numbers. Some examples of the prime numbers see here: 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. All the 2 is only the even number and other prime numbers are nothing but odd numbers are nothing but prime numbers. All the odd numbers except 2. 2 is a even number. Other numbers are nothing but odd numbers. See, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and all odd numbers. See, for 3, what are the factors we have? In one table it will go and in the 3 table, in the number in that table itself it will go. That is the number itself. This is nothing but prime number. Prime number is nothing but it should have factors 1 and the number itself. It should have only 2 factors, that is 1 and the number itself. That is nothing but prime number. Now we will see what is composite number. Composite numbers are those numbers that have more than 2 factors. Here we should have only 2 factors, that is 1 and the number itself. Understood students? This is the main keyword. It should have the 1 and the number itself. That is nothing but prime number. In composite number it should have more than 2 factors. See here, 4, 6, 8. In 4 table 4, what all the factors we have? 1, 2, 4, then that's all. It has more than 2 factors. It has more than 2 factors, so it is nothing but composite number. Understood students? For example, we will have another number also. See here, I am taking 10. Find out the factors of 10. It will go in 1 table, 2 table, then 5 table, then it will go in the 10 table, the number itself. So it has more than 2 factors. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 factors. Therefore, it is a composite number. It is not a prime number. Understood students? Next, we will see what is a co-prime number. Prime number is nothing but it should have only 2 factors, that is 1 and the number itself. You just see the difference. It should have only 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. That is nothing but prime number. Composite number, it should have more than 2 factors. That is nothing but composite number. Here, see, for 10 I have said it is divisible by 1, 2, 5 and 10. So 10 is a composite number since it has more than 4 factors. Now we will see what is co-prime number. Co-prime number, 2 numbers are said to be co-prime if they have a single common factor. That is, if we have a 2 numbers, see, they are considering 22 and 25. We need to check whether it is a co-prime number because see here, 22 and 25. 22, 25. It is divisible by 1 as well as 11 table. Understood? 1 into 22, 2 into. It is divisible by 1 table, 2 table and 11 table. Okay. For 25, take 25. It is divisible by 1, 5. It is divisible by 1 and 5 and 25. It is divisible. Okay, understood students? What is the common factor we have? 1. It should have at least 1 common factor. In both the numbers, it should have at least 1 common factor. It is nothing but co-prime numbers. Here 22 and 25, we have a common factor 1. Therefore, it is a co-prime numbers. Any 2 numbers which has a common factor, single common factor, it is nothing but co-prime numbers. Understood students? See students, here we have some main points to remember. See here, all even numbers except 2 are composite number. Composite number means, what is meant by composite number? What I have said, you will see before. Composite number which has more than 2 factors, nothing but composite number. Therefore, what they are saying, all even numbers except 2 are composite number. Other than 2, all other even numbers are nothing but composite number. That is 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 are all composite number, but 2 is not a composite number. Just remember this. 2 is only even prime number. I have already said in prime number we have only odd numbers except 2. 2, 3, 5, 11 are nothing but prime numbers, but 2 is alone even prime number. 2 is also it is the smallest even prime number. It is, just remember, we will get it in a 1 mark question. 2 is also the smallest prime number. 1 is neither prime nor composite. This will also be asked in 1 mark. All prime numbers are co-prime to each other. All the prime numbers are co-prime to the each other. Understood, students? Because it has a common factor 1. Every number will be divisible by 1, so it is a co-prime number. See here, we will see an example here. Write the factors of the number 2, 3, 4 and underline all the factors that are prime numbers. They are said to underline the prime numbers. For factors of 2, it is divisible by 1 and 2, 3, 1 and 3. For 4, 1, 2 and 4. See what are the prime numbers we have. 2 is the prime number, and all other than 2, everything is a odd number. So 3, here again 2 we have prime numbers. Other than 2, other prime numbers are nothing but odd numbers. 2 is a even number. See students, here we will see an example, that is practice on 3. Number n is not a prime number. It is not a prime. We have a number n, we don't know what number is that, but it is not a prime number. Prime number means what I have said, 2, 3. Other than 2, every other numbers are odd numbers. Okay, it is not a prime number, but it is a factor of 16 and 20. See whether in which table and all 16 and 20 will go. See, 2 tables 16, 20 will go, but it is a prime number. They have said it is not a prime number. Then check the next number. In 3 table whether we will have 16 and 20. No, we don't have. Then check with the 4 table. 4 table, 4 4s are 16, 5 4s are 20. And 4 is not a prime number. Only 2 is the prime number, 4 is not a prime number. So therefore what is n they are asking? N is nothing but 4. Understood, students? Just check one by one in every table. Check whether in which table this 16 and 20 it will go, and see it should satisfy this one. Okay, n is not a prime, 4 is not a prime, 4 is nothing but a composite number because it has more than 2 factors. That's all, students. I will try to give you another sums also. Try to solve it, and we will see the next topic. Thank you, students. Tomorrow. Thank you, students.